There's lots of different reactions. Lots of different reactions. I don't necessarily at the time see what reactions I'm getting until later when you stand away and think about it. I've had people saying nothing or not knowing how to react, but I've literally had people going, "Oh, good luck offending me," because that seems to be a difficult thing to do. The best reaction would probably be every single person laughing. I was introduced as Daryl, but some people know me as different names, one of those being Isaiah, because one eye's higher than the other. It's very therapeutic. It gives me some kind of freedom to say what I want and maybe what other people are feeling. I look a little bit like Humpty Dumpty. If Humpty Dumpty had a great fall and the king just sent the horses. It's helped me a lot on and off stage. If you can laugh at yourself, you can laugh at anything.